Are you looking for the top 5 best Tundra covers for Tundra Crewmaxes? When you search for the best Tundra covers for Tundra Crewmaxes, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1. BVWBCR Hard Trifold Cover. First up is the BVWBCR Hard Trifold Tonneau Cover. At a price of $1,400.94, this cover really caught my attention with its heavy-duty aluminum construction and the promise of extreme weather protection. If you're looking for durability and reliable waterproofing, this is worth a serious look. This cover features high-frequency welded seals and reinforced tailgate barriers, meaning it's built to withstand rain, snow, and even high-pressure car washes. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're using your Tundra for work or play, keeping your gear dry is crucial. Plus, it's designed to resist fluttering and wind noise at speeds over 70 miles per hour, which is excellent for those highway drives. Now, some people complained about the installation not being as easy as advertised. Here's the thing though, if you follow the clear guide provided, it's manageable, especially for those with a bit of DIY spirit. However, if you prefer something that you can just slap on without any hassle, this may not be your best bet. This is perfect for you if you're someone who values durability and weather resistance for your truck bed. Skip this one if you want something that's super easy to install right out of the box. But considering the quality, it's a solid investment. Now, if the installation hustle with the BVWBCR bothered you,
Product number 2, MGHF Quick Install Tonneau Cover. Next up is the MGHF Quick Install Tonneau Cover, priced at $1,410.94. What really grabbed me about this cover is its no-drill installation, which can be done in under 10 minutes. If you want convenience without sacrificing quality, this is definitely worth considering. This tonneau cover is made from lightweight aluminum alloy, which means it can support over 500 pounds while being easy to handle. Its enclosed design keeps your truck bed clean and dry, thanks to the dual-layer sealing and advanced runoff system. Here's why this matters. If you frequently hold tools or outdoor gear, you need a cover that keeps everything protected against the elements. However, some users mention that the sealing could be improved, as a few have noticed minor leaks during heavy rain. But let's be real here. If you're not taking your truck through a monsoon daily, it's likely to hold up just fine for regular use. This is perfect for you if you need a quick and easy installation. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can withstand the absolute worst weather conditions. Overall, it offers
product number 3, BVWB CRCG2 Hard Trifold Lid. Now let's talk about the BVWB CRCG2 Hard Trifold Lid Cover, which comes in at $1,877.52. This cover stands out with its dual-layer composite fabric that promises to withstand extreme weather. If you're serious about keeping your cargo safe, this one's worth a look. What I love about this model is its high-frequency welded seams and reinforced barriers that keep water out, no matter how hard it rains. This means you can confidently load your gear without worrying about water damage. Plus, the internal wind-resistant frame minimizes noise, which is great for long drives. Here's why this matters. You want your truck bed protected without sacrificing your peace. However, a few reviews pointed out that it can be heavier than some other covers, making it a bit clunky to handle. But honestly, the added durability is a trade-off that many will appreciate, especially if you use your truck for heavy-duty tasks. This is perfect for you if you prioritize weatherproofing and stability. Skip this one if you need something super lightweight and easy to maneuver. For the level of quality,
Product number 4, Dozentro Custom Fit Cover. Next, we have the Dozentro Custom Fit Cover, which is surprisingly budget-friendly at $89.99. This cover is designed specifically for Tundra models from 1999 to 2021. So if you're looking for a tailored fit, this is a fantastic bargain. If you want all-weather protection without breaking the bank, this cover is definitely worth considering. What's great about this model is its heavy-duty waterproof materials, which include a PE outer layer and an aluminum membrane for durability. This cover provides 100% UV and rain protection, which is essential if your truck sits outside often. Here's why this matters. You want to protect your investment from the elements, and this cover has you covered all year round. However, some users have mentioned that the fit can be a bit loose, especially on models that are slightly outside the specified range. But let's be real, for the price, you're getting a solid cover. If you're not overly picky about exact fit, this is a steal. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget and want reliable protection. Skip this one if you need a snug fit for extreme weather conditions. Honestly, for the price, it's a great value. Now, if you're looking for something aimed...
Product number 5, Just V Non-Rotating Hole Bracket. Finally, we have the Just V Non-Rotating Hole Bracket, priced at $49.89. While this isn't a tonneau cover per se, it's an essential accessory if you own a Just V hard tri-fold truck bed cover. If you're looking to replace worn brackets without the need for drilling, this is a practical choice. These rail mount brackets are made of high-strength metal, which means they're designed for long-term use. They ensure that your tonneau cover stays securely in place, which is crucial for both functionality and security. Here's why this matters. Without solid brackets, your cover can rattle or even come loose during transit, which could lead to damage. On the downside, some users have reported that these brackets are only compatible with specific covers, which might limit their usefulness if you have a different brand. But if you own a Just V cover, these brackets are a must-have for maintaining your setup. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable replacement.
To wrap it up, we've covered some solid tonneau covers for your Tundra Crewmax. The BVW BCR Hard Trifold and MGHF Quick Install are great for durability and ease of use, respectively. If you want extreme weather protection, the BVW BCR G2 is a strong contender. For those on a budget, the Dozentro Custom Fit cover offers excellent value. And if you need replacement parts, the Just V brackets are a functional choice. Whatever your needs, there's a